my name is Tiana. I'm a TEFL certified tutor. I've been tutoring for 4 years, and today's video is going to be on vowel digraphs. We're going to focus on these few digraphs. Yep, and we'll have a part 2 on vowel digraphs in our next video. There's even more than these, but we're going to focus on these today. The first vowel digraph that we'll be looking at is AI. It's pronounced A. Some examples would be brain, rain, train, snail. Now we're going to look at AW, pronounced aw in most cases. Here we have saw, claw, aw, draw. AU is another digraph pronounced as ah, auto, aura, launch, vault. Now UI, ooh, fruit, juice, suit, bruise. Oh, ooh, cook, cool, book, stool. Now we have OW, ow, cow, ow, owl, ow, clown, ow, vow, e, eat, street, bee, tree. EI has two sounds as A and E. Bane, A. Receipt, E. Receive, E. Ceiling, E. EA has two sounds as E and E. Meat, leaf, read or red, heat. EW has a oo sound like OO. Chew, brew, stew, screw. OA has an O sound. O, boat. O, coat. O, toast. O, goat. OY has an oi sound. Soy. Boy. Toy. Oyster. OU has an ow sound. House. Hour. sour, flower. UE has a short U sound. Ooh, statue. Clue, ooh. Ooh, blue. Ooh, glue. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.